Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Siri 2.0. Now, Siri 2.0 is the new update on your iOS 18. So after Apple has released iOS 18, you might be expecting to get the Siri 2.0. Now, before we dive into it and talk about Siri 2.0, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let's get started. With the latest update of Siri, what we can expect from it is that Siri has now generative AI and it's slightly more intelligent and is able to carry more human-like conversations. Now, Siri can also interact with multiple apps now. You can use Siri to send mails. You can use Siri to find your message from your contact and so much more. Now you can use your Siri to just talk with her and have a more human-like conversation. Now what else can be different in Siri is that it can access information from multiple apps too. So now you might be expecting to get Siri 2.0 in your iPhone, but there is really bad news for the iPhone users. There is only few iPhone that are compatible with the new Siri. So the devices that are compatible with iOS 18's Siri 2.0 are only few and limited. They are iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, or an iPad or iMac with the new M1 chip. So it's really limited. There are only few devices that are compatible with it. So if you are expecting to get the new Siri 2.0, you might get disappointed. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.